Dear me, what on earth is...
Gee, horrible nightmare, that.
Come on, love.
Really frightening stuff.
Come on, there you go. It's okay.
Stress, that was awful. What time is it, love?
It's just after 7.
Well, I might as well get up then.
Okay. Gee, what on earth were you dreaming about? You were screaming something about an axe.
An axe? Ah, no. It was Max. Max Walker. He's still following me around. Oops. Going for a duck. Check. Check 1, 2, 2. Did you get the check? Did you get the check? Check 1, 2. Welcome back. Welcome back to the SCG. Oh, what a catch! What a catch! Marvellous effort, that. Really a super effort. 2 for 22. 2 for 22. Super effort, that.
Now, what jacket do you want to wear? The cream, the bone, the off-white, the white, the ivory, or the beige?
Yep. Sounds great, love. Thanks.
Now, listen, I'll just go and iron your jacket for you.
All right. The cream one, the bone, the off-white, the white, the ivory, or the beige, love?
Yes, I know, love.
Rickard and Jago for Rickard, eh? The other car?
You know, it's one fucking game I just can't fucking get into the cricket. It's so bloody sly, you know what I mean? It's so fucking boring for me.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I tried watching it a couple of times at home on the TV, you know, with that bloody guy, Richie Ben Ivor, or whatever his fucking name is. You know, the guy on the Wide World of Sports.
Yes?
But I don't mind, you know, I just can't get into it, you know what I mean?
Well, no, I don't. I happen to love the game.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, I do, very much.
Oh, well, there you go. That's good, mate.
Yes, it is. Very good. Now, if you don't mind, I've got a very important article to read again in the paper.
Yeah, okay, mate. No worries, mate.
5, K8. Cut a Kenzie, 4, still open on 10.
Right. Do you think we might be able to turn that down a bit, please?
Oh!
Dickhead.
Well, yes, that's what I reckon. Oh, look. Is that Richie Benno? Oh, yes, I think it is. Excuse me, aren't you Richie Benno?
From the body of the same name. How are you, girls?
Oh, good, thanks. Yes, good, thanks. We love you on TV.
Ah, thanks a lot. So do I.